Ryan saw a bee's nest out here. He thought it'd be fun to shoot it, and here we go. It's a big one.
It's a big one. Yep. I'm wearing my protective armor. Can't stick it ever, dude.
What just happened?
I didn't hit it.
But you were like 6 inches from it.
Don't run with pointy arrows in your hands.
Okay.
Okay, here we go, ready?
Yep.
Mom, we might not want to be out here.
Oh! Ooh, that was close. Last time he had a good hit, but not deadly. Oh, shoot! Brian! Back around the house, back around the house!
Well, the Katniss Everdeen method no longer works. Go to plan B. Okay, throw the log, throw the log.
When you see that log in the garage window?
Yeah, let's not do that. Don't aim away from the house. I think Dad's coming, I don't want to get stunned.
Here we go.
I don't want to get stunned either. Well, you hit it.
This is important. Bongo bat.
Mongo.
This is Mongo? A Mongo. This has been in our life for about 12 years. Oh, you missed it! You didn't even hit it!
That branch got in the way.
Mongo bat. You still missed it. Ammo retrieval.
All right, got the Mongo bat. Ready?
Not with the Hive. And ready. Oh!
Go!
Snap! That was a good hit!